Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the table 1 to 10 using while loop in Python, and the output should be look like this from 1 to 10. And now open the script file, Python script file, and I am going to write here the code. First of all, I am going to declare a variable I and initialize the value as a 1, and t variable initialize the 0, and then while loop, and write the condition I less than equal 10, which means this loop continue until the value of I less than or equals to 10, and then declare a variable j and initialize the value as a 1. And now I am going to write another while loop inside the while loop, and write the condition j less than equals to 10 and colon. This loop is called the nested loop because which is inside the another loop. The loop inside the another loop is called the nested loop. And now within this loop I am going to write here the t equals to I star j, and then write here j equals to j plus 1, and write here print inside the while loop, print the value of t in the same line. So just write here and double quote. Now outside of the while loop, inner while loop, write here print, then slash n, and then change the line. Now I equals to I plus 1. Okay, and save it. First of all, I am going to run this program, which is clearer concept. Look here, let us print the table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I am going to close the output and explain the concept. First of all, the value of I is 1 and the value of t is 0. So control come here and check the condition of the while loop. The value of I is 1 means I equals to 1, and the value of j is also 1, and then control first check the condition, it is true, and then control come inside the body and initialize the value of j as a 1, and come to this while loop, nested while loop or inner while loop, and check the condition. The value of j is 1, which is less than equals to 10, so condition is true. Then control come inner loop body, and now the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 1. After multiplication, assign into the t variable, so the value of t is right now 1, and look here, the value of j is, after adding, just I am going to cut it and paste here. Okay, look here, the value of t is printed by this print function in the same line due to and equals to double quote. So first of all, it will print the value as a 1. Now the value of j is j plus 1, means the value of j is 1 and 1 plus 1. Now at the second time, the value of j is 2, and control come here and check the condition. Condition is true because the value of j is 2, which is less than equals to 10. Now the value of I is fixed 1 and the value of j is 2. So after multiplication, the value of t is 2, and this statement print the value, and now it is printed 2, and control come here and add again the value of j, 2 plus 1, 3, and assign the 3 value in the j. Now control come here and check the condition. The value of j is 3, which is less than equals to 10. Now condition is true. Control come here and again the value of I is 1, multiply with the value of j as a 3, and now the value of t is 3, and now with the help of print statement, print function, it will print the value of t as a 3 in the same line. Now the value of j is 3 plus 1, 4, and now check the condition. 4 value is less than equals to 10, so condition true, and control again come here, and 1 multiply by the value of j is 4, so the value of t as a 4, and print statement, print the value of t as a 4 in the same line. Now the value of j is 4 plus 1, 5, so it will assign the 5 value to the j, and now check the condition. 5 is less than equals to 10. Now control again come inside the inner loop body, and 1 multiply by 5, and then the value of t is initialized as a 5, and the print statement, print the 5, and here the value of j is 5 plus 1, 6. Now the value of j is 6. Control again come here and check the condition. Condition is true. 1 multiplied by 6. Now the value of t is 6, and print statement, print the value of t as a 6. Now the value of j is 6 plus 1, 7. Now the value of j is 7. Control again come here and check the condition. The value of j is 7, which is less than equals to 10. Now 1 multiplied by value of j, which is 7. So the value of t is 7, and the print statement, print the value of j as a 7. Now j plus 1, the value of j is 7 plus 1, 8. Now the value of j is 8. Control come here and check the condition. Condition is true because the value of j is 8, which is less than equals to 10. Now 1 multiply by 8, the value of j, and assign the 8 value to the t variable. Print statement, print the value as a 8 in the same line. Now the value of j is 8 plus 1, 9. It is 9. Control again come here and check the condition. Condition is true, and then value of 1 multiply by 9 and assign the t as a 9, and the print statement, print the value of t as a 9. Here the value of j is 9 plus 1. Now 10 value is assigned into the j variable, and control come here and check the condition. Condition is true. 1 multiply by 10 and t initialized as a 10. Now the value of t as a 10. So the print statement, print the value of t as a 10, and control come here, and now the value of j is 10 plus 1, 11. Now the value of j is 11. Control again come here and check the condition. Condition is false because the 11 value not less than equals to 10. Now the loop is terminated, and control come outside of the inner loop and change the line. So change the line here, and the value of I equals to I plus 1. Now the value of I is 1. After adding 1, it is 2. So control come outer loop, and right now the value of I is 2, which is less than equals to 10. So condition is true, and control come here and initialize the value of j as a 1. Now the value of j is 1. Control again come inside the inner loop, and this loop continue and to print the table of 2 like this. The value of j is 1, which is less than equals to 10. Control come here. Now the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So the value of t is 2, and now control with the help of print statement, this will print the 2 here, and now the value of j is 1 plus 1, 2. Now the value of j is 2. Control come here and check the condition. 2, which is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Now the value of I is 2 multiplied by 2, and the value is 4, printed by the print statement, t value as a 4 here, and now this loop continue until the value of j is less than equals to 10. So it will print the table of 2 here and printed like this: 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. After terminating this loop, line will be changed here and the value of I, which is 2 plus 1, 3. Now the value of I is 3 and control come here and check the condition. The value of I is 3, which is less than or equals to 10. Now condition become true. So again the value of j initializes of 1 and control come here and again print the table of 3 and so on this loop. So in this way we will print the table from 1 to 10. But my question is that, suppose that again I run this program and look the output. Output is look like this, but I want 0 before all the single digits, like this, like this. So what we do? We do simple one things to check the condition. If the value of t less than 10, then it will print the value 0 before the t value. Now just I am going to change, write here a condition: if t less than 10, then it will print the value as double quotes 0 and then write here percentage d and then percentage and then write the variable which you want to print. Now press enter and write here else and print the value of t directly here. This statement, if the value of t is less than 10, then it will print before the single digit as a 0 with the t value, and if it is not, then come to the else part and print the directly the t value, not with the 0. Now save this and run this program. Okay, now output is look like this. Okay, if you want to source code, then you will get this code from my own developed website android80point.co.in, and you will get all the codes from here. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.